Hello from McNally Motors Longford. Just like to show you our 212 Corolla Hatchback Luna Sport Hybrid. Finished in black over silver. Alloy wheels. Front fogs. Bodywork in perfect condition. This car is in the low tax bracket of $190 a year. Looks very well in the black over silver. Comes with remote center locking, electric windows, electric mirrors. Loads of boot space, protective mesh supplied and safety kit supplied. Reverse camera located here. Here in the back we have ISOFIX seats, center armrest with cup holders, loads of legroom in the back, cup holders in the doors, electric windows in the back. So up front, this car comes with a half leather interior, center armrest, cup holders in the front, touchscreen radio with reverse camera, multifunction steering wheel, Bluetooth, air conditioning, dual climate control, automatic lights, lane assist, pre-collision alert. Just some of the extras standard on this car. This car comes with low kilometers of 3,700. Very little mileage done. So that's our 212 Corolla Hatchback Luna Sport Hybrid. Finished in black over silver. For more details and finance options, call our sales team here on 04333 45621 and they will help you out. Thank you.